everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in my dressing gown and I've got something I want to share with you and all you Nip and Fab lovers. There is a new product. So for anybody that doesn't know, I have been in Thailand for the last month, and for anyone wondering, you can follow our family travel channel here and see how we got on because we had the best time. But we took really minimal stuff and my skin really took the brunt of it. At home I have like a 25-piece skincare regime, as you can imagine, and I took away basically a cleanser and a moisturiser. So this package came and I was so happy because this is exactly what I needed. Yes. I'm going to be sharing with you the Nip Fab Salicylic range. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but you know what I mean. So we've got the gel cleanser, the salicylic pads, the scrub there, extreme fix concentrate, and we've got the new product which loads of you wouldn't have tried yet, which is the Purify anti-pollution moisturiser with SPF 30. So how did we get on? First of all, my skin was dry, it felt congested, it felt like, you know, like little bumps underneath the skin. It felt like it needed to be exfoliated on a regular basis, which it normally is. So this was the perfect fix for this situation. So I've been using it for under 2 weeks. My skin already feels in a much better condition. So my skin is dry, and if I use the whole product at once, I did find it a little bit too much for my skin to use it day and night. So I've been using 2 of the products every day, basically, depending on what I felt like I needed. So when I got home, the first thing I used was this facial scrub. This is lovely. It's got the finest exfoliants in it, which are tiny bits of volcanic rock. Let me show you that. And that literally straight away made my skin brighter. It made it the texture nicer. It just felt healthier as soon as I used that. So I've used that a few times. Now, manual exfoliation I don't like to use too much, so I have used that just a couple of times as and when I felt like I needed it. So the cleanser is a really nice gel cleanser. It does foam, it purifies and moisturises. This is really nice and it takes off your makeup really well as well. And my skin felt so clean afterwards. Now these, if you don't know, Kylie Jenner is reportedly a massive fan of the Nip and Fab pads. So they're basically already soaked in the solution. So these are for night time. You pop them on before your moisturiser. It reduces breakouts, helps speed up healing time, moisturises and hydrates the skin, and obviously exfoliates as well. So there are the pads. They are drenched in product. There is no skimping there. Rub them on your face, job is a good one. Next we have got the Salicylic Fix Extreme Concentrate. Now I'm a massive fan of these concentrated things. I just feel like they're so good as a targeted thing. The mix and match what you use. Love these, love them. So you can see the texture of that. Not too thin, not too thick texture that is perfect to go on under moisturiser. I actually felt it made my skin feel a bit plump as well, which was nice. This one I'm going to put on now. Now I do feel sometimes this has a little bit of a slight tingly sensation when you first put it on, but I use quite a lot of different acid products and they pretty much all do that. And last but not least, the new product is the anti-pollution SPF. This is so perfect for me when I was travelling. I should have had this while I was away because it is SPF 30. It is UVA and UVB ray protected. Really nice textured moisturiser that again is really light but still really hydrating. My skin's dry and I still felt like this was a really nice like quenching formula. Let me show you this. So you can see. So you can see this moisturiser spreads so nicely. And that will for sure be coming with me on my next trip. So how have I found the products? I have got some befores and some afters here. So you can see my skin was visibly a bit textured and a bit clogged and a bit like lackluster. And now you can see it is much nicer. It feels much better condition. Exfoliated, feels pure already. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be including these products in my skincare regime going forward for sure. If anyone's got any questions about this range, please do comment underneath and I'll get back to you. If you have any questions about it, because you never know, sometimes you want to research it before you buy them, don't you? So let me know.